question. So, feminism, what is feminism? பெண்ணியம் என்பது என்ன அப்படிங்கிறதுதான். I'll tell my point of view. பெண்ணியம் என்பது ஆண்களுக்கு எதிரானதல்ல, ஆணாதிக்க சிந்தனைக்கு எதிரானது. It is not against men as individual, it is against patriarchy. அப்படின்னு நான் பார்க்குறேன். Because feminists are generally judged by this society as men haters. They always hate men. There is a prejudice. It still we have a prejudice in the society. So feminism is an ideology and it strikes voice against any kind of discrimination, and it speaks for political, economical and social empowerment of women. You can't define feminism in a single phase or in a single passage, because every woman has different definition for feminism. So I would like to have views on you.
To me, feminism, instead of going for a definition, I'd like to share an incident. So there was an event that happened. Me and a guy friend went to a theatre. So we were entering the theatre and security guard was checking our bags for things, if we have snacks or something, and I accidentally had something in there for a quick bite and I was not aware that I had it in my bag. So I asked, okay, he said you can't take it inside. He did not say that to me. I was having the bag in my hand. He said that looking at the other guy standing beside me who did not have a bag to him. Okay, I thought it was an accident. I asked him where I can keep it because I said I was sorry, so is there a token system or something? Can I keep it on a shelf? He said, keep it, you have to keep it here, sir. Again, he looked at my friend. And my friend was looking at me. He was wondering, I'm not even involved. He didn't understand what's going on. He was on a call. But he kept talking to the guy. This happened for 3-4 times. And after that, I knew it was intentional. And I kept asking him, why won't you look at me and talking to you? Just acknowledge me. What's wrong? Is something wrong? I asked him. He kept saying, he said that it was theatre policy and you can't take it inside. Like he was completely being irrational. That was not my question. But he kept sticking to that. He wouldn't even make eye contact with me. He kept talking to the other guy, and by that time, my friend was also a good person. I would like to say he's a feminist. So by that time, he also intervened. He wanted to know what is wrong with him. Why won't you answer? She asked me a very basic question. And then by that time, if we had given in to this act of patriarchy, we would have just left the theatre and went home or gone inside having forgotten all about this. But I stayed there. I wanted to know what was happening, and then other people got involved. Like the manager came and he wanted to know what was wrong, and we were causing a commotion. And I was just trying to say that this guy won't look and talk to me. He keeps disrespecting me, and everyone there looked at me like I was crazy, and I was just doing this something over some snacks. They thought it was about snacks. They didn't even know that it was an act of patriarchy. So to me, I don't have a definition, but I have lots of personal experiences. And and the book God Bless You, Devil Kiss You is made up of 85% of all these experiences in a fictionalized manner. That's about it.